Welcome to our channel. If you want to apply for a small business loan, follow these step-by-step instructions to improve your chances of approval and secure favorable terms. Step 1. Determine how much funding you need and how you will use it. Create a detailed breakdown of expenses such as equipment purchases, inventory, working capital, marketing, or expansion costs. Step 2. Develop a comprehensive business plan that includes your company overview, market analysis, financial projections, management team, and growth strategy. Lenders want to see that you have a clear roadmap for success. Step 3. Organize your financial documents, including personal and business tax returns for the past 2 to 3 years, profit and loss statements, balance sheets, cash flow statements, and bank statements. Step 4. Check your personal and business credit scores, as lenders use these to assess your creditworthiness. Address any errors or negative items before applying to improve your chances of approval. Step 5. Research different types of business loans such as term loans, lines of credit, SBA loans, equipment financing, or invoice factoring to find the best fit for your needs and qualifications. Step 6. Compare lenders including traditional banks, credit unions, online lenders, and alternative financing companies. Evaluate interest rates, fees, repayment terms, and approval timelines. Step 7. Prepare collateral if required, which might include business assets, real estate, equipment, or personal guarantees to secure the loan and reduce the lender's risk. Step 8. Submit your application with all required documentation and be prepared to answer questions or provide additional information during the underwriting process. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.